Let's assume that you use Northwest to form your business. You pay that $39 in your first year, and your registered agent service is included for free in that first year. After that, it renews at $125 a year. My honest take is that it's always smart to look around and compare prices. And when you're comparing, just recognize that this is an ongoing business expense. It's a cost that quietly helps keep your business in good standing each year, so you don't miss a deadline or file something incorrectly. And while you can do that work yourself, like we talked about, at this price point, I think it makes sense for most people to let somebody else handle it. You save yourself the stress and the time, and you can put that time back into actually running your business. And if you want Northwest to handle even more for you, they offer a few optional add-ons. Things like getting your EIN, which is just your tax ID, forwarding your everyday business mail, or even filing your yearly state report for you. And it's actually a good thing that nothing is bundled in that you didn't ask for and that you don't need. And nothing is buried in the fine print. The best example of this is the EIN number. It's one of the easiest and quickest steps in the business formation process to do for yourself. And for some, that means it can be a good place to save a little money. But at only $50, others find that it makes sense to add this during their business formation so that they don't need to spend any time or effort on it, and they know it just gets done right. No matter which is best for you, Northwest lays out every add-on with a tooltip explaining it, and each one is clearly labeled with its price, so you only pay for what you actually use. The standard service stays at just $39 for the first year, plus $125 a year after that. Compared to the rest of the market, this sits on the more affordable end, particularly in the first year. Something like LegalZoom can charge around $250 a year just for registered agent service, and Northwest comes in well under that. If you've decided that Northwest is right for you, the first link in the description will get you the best deal that we have with Northwest Registered Agent. And if you're actually ready to set it up, watch my full step-by-step walkthrough next. I'll take you through the whole process. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business.